Hi everyone, I'm Martin. Welcome to my channel, Small Seconds, dedicated to watches and watch culture. Today we're unboxing something special, the Duckworth Prestex Verimatic, a British-designed automatic with a stunning green Hume dial. This is a mechanical watch with real heritage behind it, so let's see what it's all about. Right away, the presentation here is on another level. We start with a white outer box finished with a gold logo on the lid, clean, premium, and protective. Lifting that off reveals the watch box itself, a leatherette case that opens up to a soft suede interior. Inside the box, there's a personal thank you note and message from Neil Duckworth himself, along with the instruction manual and warranty card. And there's the watch, seated in its cradle and secured against a suede cushion. This is the kind of unboxing experience that makes the whole thing feel like an occasion. And here it is, the Verimatic in green. That Hume dial is the star of the show, with the textured finish that darkens toward the edges and shifts beautifully in the light. My watch comes fitted on a light brown genuine leather strap, which ties in perfectly with the color of the seconds hand. And as a bonus, there's a second strap in green rubber, and that one matches the dial color beautifully. Both straps feature a buckle with the company logo. The case is made from 316L solid stainless steel with a cushion case shape and a mix of brushed and polished finishes. It measures 39mm in diameter, 11mm thick, with a lug-to-lug of 46.5mm and a 20mm lug width, so genuinely versatile proportions that should suit most wrist sizes. Around the back is a screw-in case back, and the polished screw-down crown carries the company logo. Together with that construction, the Verimatic achieves an impressive 200 meters of water resistance, serious for a watch with this much dress watch character. Back to that dial. It pairs a textured Hume finish with bold Arabic numerals and an outer railroad track, giving it a relaxed look with a classical twist. The indices and hands carry thickly applied BGW9 lume, so legibility holds up even in low light. The hour and minute hands are brushed with a polished chamfer, and the seconds hand provides that lovely pop of contrasting color. Protecting it all is a double-domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on the underside, clear, sharp, and built to last. This is a mechanical watch, and inside beats the Miyota 9039 automatic movement, a reliable self-winding caliber that runs without a battery, powered entirely by the motion of your wrist. Accuracy runs at -10 to +30 seconds per day, which is right in line with what you'd expect from an automatic at this level. There's no date complication here, keeping the dial clean and symmetrical. The Duckworth Prestex Verimatic gets so much right. A beautifully textured Hume dial, a sapphire crystal, a solid steel case with 200 meters of water resistance, and an automatic movement, all wrapped in genuinely premium packaging. With two straps to switch up the look, it's individually numbered too, part of a limited run, which adds a real sense of occasion. For anyone after a versatile British automatic with character, this one is well worth a look. Thanks for watching Small Seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.